Good morning everyone, we start today with a super healthy food. We'll make an omelet. So here are the seeds and milk, and usually do about 10 eggs. Today let's make 6. So basically you can add to your super omelet like anything you like to. So can be any spices up to your taste. Can add a little bit of chili for increase digestion. So you can choose what you want, like more or less spicy, and what helps do you prefer. So really up to your taste. Additionally, we can add a little bit of tofu or jelly and make different kind of experiments what to add each time. Or we can add a little bit of slow carbs. Basically it's ready, so it will be cooked quite quick. Or you can eat it additionally. So basically it's really good if you add a little bit of carbs to protein, because we have a yolk already, so we don't need that much. And it's with brown rice, I think it's a perfect choice. We can add some vegetables if you want to keep it raw. If not, so basically, if you are skinny, you can afford it. You can cook vegetables first and after put the omelet. So basically, you can do it in any style you like. It's really up to you. Or you can make a test or experiment. Different time you can do it differently. What type of vegetables, it's really up to you as well. It can be any. So just for making example. So same like I do all the time, so try to make it something like super quick and simple, or not spend like more than 5 minutes on it. Usually everyone busy, need working hard, spend a lot of time in the travel and traffic, whatever, so you don't have much time for the eating and cooking. So it's supposed to be super easy and super fast. So yeah, it can be any type of vegetables. Usually I put garlic and onion, but better to keep it raw, of course. So we have 5 minutes and we have like usually anything in our soup omelet. So we can add a little bit of soy sauce, make smell it nice, but it's not salty. So for the Himalaya salt, it will be the best options, but it's not so salty as well. Soy for make it more raw, let's say. Or even you can add a little bit protein powder if you want it, like make more protein. Okay, looks like it. You can add more chili if you want to. And finally we have such beauty.